Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Carrie box pool storage basket is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for maintaining a pristine and organized pool area, ensuring that your poolside relaxation is never interrupted by clutter or misplaced accessories, making it a must-have for any homeowner who values both aesthetics and functionality in their outdoor living space. Number 5. Tirrinia Insulated 2-Bottle Wine Gift Tote Bag. Are you a wine enthusiast who enjoys sharing your favorite vintages on the go? This tote is designed for you, perfect for restaurants, parties, or picnics. Its elegant look makes it a wonderful gift for any wine lover in your life. Take your wine anywhere with ease. It features a sturdy handle and an adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying. This carrier has plenty of space for 2 standard bottles and can even be folded for easy storage. Stand out with its stylish blue and white striped design. Crafted from premium 600D polyester, it's built to last, offering a more sophisticated and secure way to transport your beverages compared to flimsy alternatives. Enjoy your wine at the ideal temperature. With PU thermal insulation and 5mm foam padding, it protects your bottles from bumps and keeps them perfectly chilled for hours. The padded divider ensures your bottles stay separate and safe. Beyond wine, it's also a fantastic insulated cooler for water, other beverages, or beer, making it incredibly versatile. What we like? This tote is perfect for wine enthusiasts who love to share their favorite vintages on the go. Its insulated and padded design ensures your wine stays perfectly chilled for hours, while the adjustable strap makes transport effortless. If you're looking for a stylish and practical way to bring wine to picnics, parties, or restaurants, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Carrie box pool storage basket is a great way to keep your pool area tidy. It has a sturdy construction and is designed to withstand outdoor elements. The basket is spacious enough to hold various pool accessories like floats, toys, and cleaning tools. Number 4. U.S. Pool Supply Above Ground Pool Skimmer Baskets. Tired of debris cluttering your pool? Introducing our essential tool for maintaining a pristine swimming environment. Keep your pool sparkling with minimal effort. This basket captures leaves and debris before they reach your pump and filters. It ensures your filtering system requires less maintenance, saving you time and hassle. Crafted from chemical-resistant plastic, it's built to last. The convenient built-in handle makes removal and cleaning a breeze. Designed as a standard small size for above-ground pool through-wall skimmers. Please measure your existing basket to ensure a perfect fit before purchasing. We provide professional-grade, affordable solutions for pool maintenance. Take control of your pool care and say goodbye to expensive service technicians. Each purchase includes a convenient pack of 2 baskets. Get more value and keep your pool cleaner for longer. What we like? For pool owners seeking efficient debris removal, these skimmer baskets are a must-have. They effectively catch leaves and other gunk before they reach your pump and filters, reducing maintenance. If you want a durable, easy-to-handle solution to keep your pool cleaner with less effort, these replacement baskets are ideal. What people say. The Carrie box pool storage basket is a great addition to any pool area, providing ample space to store pool accessories like noodles, floats, and toys. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements, making it a long-lasting storage solution. The open design allows for quick drying of wet items, preventing mildew and keeping your pool area tidy. Number 3. Essentially Yours Rolling Pool Storage Organizer Bin. Keep your pool area tidy with this long-lasting storage solution. It's designed to withstand the elements and keep your items secure. Easily move your belongings around the pool deck or lock the wheels to keep it in place. This offers flexibility for your needs. Store all your pool essentials, from toys and floats to cleaning tools. There's plenty of room for everything you need. Need a spot for smaller items? Additional side pockets provide convenient storage for goggles, small toys, or accessories. Get set up in no time with our simple, tool-free assembly. Just follow the easy instructions and start organizing. Choose the perfect fit for your space. It's available in various sizes and colors to match your style. What we like? This large rolling bin is designed for serious pool toy and accessory management. Its generous size can hold a significant amount of gear, and the lockable wheels offer stability when needed. If you have a lot of pool items and need a robust, easy-to-move organizer, this is the perfect solution for keeping your pool area tidy. What people say. This is a great pool storage basket. It holds a lot of pool toys and accessories. The basket is made of durable material and is built to last. It is also very easy to clean and maintain. Number 2. Rolling Pool Storage Bin, Brown Style 417244. Introducing a long-lasting solution for your pool storage needs. It's crafted from weather-resistant materials, ensuring it stands up to the elements. Easily move your storage bin or keep it in place with lockable wheels. This feature provides flexibility for your poolside setup. Keep your smaller essentials close at hand with convenient side pockets. They offer additional space for items you want to access quickly. With dimensions of 18W x 18L x 20H, it offers ample space for your pool accessories. It holds up to 3.2 cubic feet of mesh area. Setting it up is a breeze with our tool-free assembly. Just follow the easy instructions, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Choose the perfect fit for your space. It comes in a variety of sizes and colors, including blue, white, and brown. What we like. If you need a convenient way to store and transport smaller quantities of pool essentials, this compact rolling bin is a great option. It's easy to maneuver thanks to its wheels and offers handy side pockets for smaller items. Consider this if you have a smaller pool area or fewer toys and want a tidy, accessible storage solution. What people say. It is a good size and holds a lot of pool toys. The basket is sturdy and well made, and it looks great by the pool. It is easy to assemble and use. Number 1. Rolling Pool Storage Organizer Bin. Keep your pool area tidy with this long-lasting storage bin. It's designed to withstand the elements, providing a reliable solution for your needs. Constructed from weather-resistant PVC and durable mesh, this bin is built to last. It effectively protects your items from the weather and wear. Easily move it around or keep it in place with lockable wheels. This feature allows you to secure it when needed or roll it effortlessly. Need a spot for smaller items? Additional side pockets offer extra storage space for your convenience. Setting it up is a breeze with our tool-free assembly. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Available in various sizes and colors like blue, white, and brown, you can choose the perfect fit for your space. What we like. This compact rolling bin is ideal for managing pool accessories with ease. Its manageable size and lockable wheels make it simple to store and move around your pool area. If you're looking for a practical way to keep smaller pool toys and cleaning tools organized and accessible, this bin is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Carrie Box Pool Storage Basket is a great addition to any pool area, offering ample space to store pool accessories like noodles, floats, and toys. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements, and the open design allows for quick drying and prevents water from pooling inside. This storage basket is designed with convenience in mind. It's lightweight and easy to move, making it simple to reposition as needed. The mesh material provides excellent ventilation, keeping items fresh and dry, and it's sturdy enough to hold a significant amount of pool gear without sagging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.